Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I have to repurpose a whiskey barrel half container of soil. I forgot to do it earlier and I realized that I'm going to need it for my lettuce. So I'm going to do that and I'll take you through the steps that I do to repurpose soil. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to amend or repurpose this container that I'm sitting in front of. This past season, this container was used for my cucumbers. Forgive the helicopter in the background. Weekly mosquito patrol. I'm going to add some amendments to it. Some black cow compost. And some of my Nature Safe 1300 fertilizer, some alfalfa pellets, and I'm going to add some perlite. This container I'm going to use to put lettuce in, and since we're after nice big leaves, green leaves, I'm going to really push the nitrogen level. So okay, first thing I'm going to do is use my hand trowel and move the soil around, aerate it, break it up. Go down probably 3 to 5 inches. Okay, next I'm going to add the Nature Safe. Then some of the black cow. Then some of the alfalfa sprouts. These were purchased off of Amazon. Alfalfa pellets. And last but not least, perlite. Okay, and all of this is going to be mixed in. Okay, it's mixed in thoroughly. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to water it in. And after I do that, this is going to sit for about 3 to 4 weeks. And by that time, my lettuce should be the size or big enough to be transplanted. And we should have a good crop. So let's go water this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, it's been thoroughly watered in. And as I said before, this is going to sit for about 3 to 4 weeks before I add the lettuce into it. In case you're curious, the variety of lettuce is going to be Butter Crunch. Well, I want to thank you for watching me do this quick task. As I said, it was something that I should have done earlier, but I got lazy and realized that I needed to repurpose the soil, so I got out and did it this morning. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I can grow lots of food for my family and myself, but I can't grow my channel without your help. If you have subscribed, go ahead and leave me a comment with the YouTube algorithm. That helps. Also hit the like button, that helps as well. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do it. And when you do it, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. You can share my content as well. Remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow large amount of food for your family and yourself. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.